Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Rheem Tankless water heater is showing error code 61, it can be frustrating, especially when you suddenly lose hot water. This specific error is usually related to the blower motor or airflow system, which plays a key role in proper combustion and ventilation. When something interrupts that airflow, the unit shuts down as a safety measure. At first, it might seem like a serious issue, but in many cases, it's caused by something simple, like a blockage, loose connection, or temporary glitch. The tricky part is that the unit doesn't explain the exact cause, so it can feel confusing. The good thing is that by checking a few important areas, you can often fix the issue or at least identify what's going wrong. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the water heater and unplug it from power. Step 2. Wait a few minutes, then turn it back on to reset the system. Step 3. Check the air intake and exhaust vents for any blockages. Step 4. Clean any dust or debris around the blower area if accessible. Step 5. Ensure all wiring connections to the blower motor are secure. Step 6. If the error continues, contact a qualified technician for repair